for Top That Trade, powered by Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and options trading pro, Alan Nuckman. Round number one, guys. Real estate sale. There's been a dive in high-end real estate. What does it mean, and how do you make money on this free fall?
I think Alan moved into the neighborhood. Did you just buy a place?
I don't think this is going to impact anybody. It's the Hamptons, it's Aspen, it's Miami, and there are a couple of reasons.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Do you have a house in the Hamptons?
Well, a couple, but that's beside the point.
So the sales went down
no.
50% in the first half of the year for a couple of reasons. Wall Street bonuses were smaller. The market was way down at that time. And these houses are paid for in cash. Let's remember that. So I don't think it has any impact on America. And it's all about confidence. People have lost their confidence. Some of those big money people lost their confidence in the first half of the year.
I blame the Fed. It's the Fed's fault.
That's always your answer.
No, it is the Fed's fault. Listen, the dollar is going up.
Consumer confidence is at 12-month
Who were buying
highs.
those houses in Hampton? It weren't Americans. It was those Russian oligarchs
That's the
that
good
were
point.
coming down
exactly.
the down. The Europeans were coming in
and
the
the dollar
down.
has come down.
Right.
So
Yeah.
we'll have to wait and see. But I think my play in real estate is Lowe's. Lowe's had a gap down on last earnings. It's trading around the 70-some level. Looking for it to bounce back to 82, so about 10% bounce in Lowe's, because it usually tracks Home Depot. It's essentially the same store, but it's had a bit of a fall.
I think he's a little bit confused here.
Lowe's, not the movie theater. Lowe's, the home improvement store.
All right, let's move on.
Let's move on to round number two, milk money. 500 dairy cows went missing from a New Zealand farm at $1,000 per cow. The heifer heist begs the question, are you bullish on cattle or Kiwi dollars?
Alan, seriously? It's cows now? I thought you quit
Cattle.
that. Cattle or cows? Why aren't we talking about milk in this segment? We're talking cattle or Kiwi dollars because some farmer in New Zealand lost his cows.
We don't trade milk that much. Plus, as you see, there's a glut of milk, so prices of milk are low.
Well, they're starting to come back
Cattle
up.
prices
Check
have
your
really
charts.
come down as well. Cattle was at 170 for the December contract. It's 110 now. So is cattle a buy?
Cattle is a buy.
Besides
Cattle's
steaks.
a buy. It's at a huge discount to the cash market right now.
Grain
the
prices
rates are going down.
Grain prices are low.
Grain prices are low, so they should be a pretty good buy. But I also like the Kiwi as well. The Kiwi has had a nice rally. They cut their interest rates, and they cut their interest rate, and their currency still goes up. That shows you that that's a strong currency.
I like the Australian dollar, which is nearby, better. I think it's got more upside potential. The Kiwi dollar's already had a huge bounce in the first half of the year. I think the Australian dollar has some more upside potential.
But that wasn't the
And that's
question.
a commodities play. Well, I'm
Kiwi or
bringing it-
cattle, which one do you like better?
For most people like me that are not very geographically adept, Australia and New Zealand are the same place.
On to round number three, summer sunset. The stock market traded sideways in August. What's your Dow play for the fall?
There's a lot of them. I like AT&T. I think that's a good one. Look for good, high-paying dividend stock. And the stock market's going to continue to stay strong because of the search for yield. Interest rates may be going up a little bit, but that's not going to be enough to get people looking for dividend stocks. And that's one of the reasons why these stocks continue to stay high.
Very good point. I agree with you 100%. It's not going to change the dynamics even when rates go up. Until they go way, way up, people are still going to be looking at the stock market. My stock is GE, traded between 31 and 32 for a month, going absolutely nowhere. 36 is the upside. Not a whole lot of risk in trading somebody like a GE, in my personal opinion. That's it's been going nowhere. It's unchanged for the year compared to the Dow, which is up 5 or 6 points, 5 or 6%. So look for that to play catch up.
All right, on to your bonus round question for today. It's name that phony ticker time.
The photo tickets, these are my
phone-
favorite.
Here are your
These-
symbols.
I like them.
This is
I like
my
these.
least favorite.
Why?
SUMR, summer, SURFX, surfx, and fun, FUN.
No, fun is real because we've talked about that before. The middle one's got too many letters.
The Surfx FX?
Yeah,
but
I think
that's an
so.
FX. I'm going to say summer. There's no stock called summer.
Come
There
on,
should be,
there should
but
be.
there isn't.
I fooled you guys. They were all real tickers. Summer is host prerogative. Summer is summer infant. SurfX is Hawaii Municipal Fund. And fun, of course, is Cedar Fair. You guys knew that one. So thanks so much for playing. Good job.
I feel robbed down here. I feel
Used.
robbed.
We were
I feel
used.
We were
Yeah, I was used.
Business First AM continues after this.